branching. So as we should be aware of the basic programming, so we will know that the code, any programming language executes the code in a sequential way. It executes line after another, one line after another. So if you want to change the execution of a code, you go for what is called as branching. So in branching, we have the very basic branching allowed is if else if loop. If a condition is true, execute some code. The condition is false, check for another condition. If that is true, execute code 3. That is also false, execute code 3. Otherwise, go back and end the program. This is the basic if else loop, which we all know, and we have switch case. So if you have a lot of options, I cannot write if else that loop. I cannot write it so many times, right? So in that case, I'll be going for switch case construction. You have a video here. Please look at the video. So it's a simple example how to use if else condition in a MATLAB. They have taken the example of a parking garage. So how to calculate the parking fee? So how to calculate the parking fee based on the hours parked. So that is what is